Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate PowerPoint presentations from Gemini on the web. Let's get straight into it. First, head to gemini.google.com and look at the bottom of the chat prompt area. You'll see a button labeled Tools, click that. A drop-down menu appears with a few options, and one of them is Canvas. Click Canvas. Once you do that, a side panel opens up on the right side of your screen. This is where you and Gemini will co-create the presentation in real time. Now, in the main chat input, type your prompt. Start it with something like, create a presentation or make a presentation, then describe what you want. The more specific you are here, the better the output. Make a presentation about sales gets you something generic. But create a 10-slide queue, one sales recap for the leadership team, include revenue targets, top 3 customer wins, and next quarter priorities gives you something actually usable. Hit send. Gemini will now generate the slide deck. You'll likely see some kind of progress indicator in the canvas area, and shortly a complete set of slides appears, theme, images, everything. The canvas transforms into a slide preview with card-based navigation so you can flip through and see what it's built. Review the slides. If you want changes, you can ask Gemini right there in the chat. Something like add a slide with vocabulary words or replace the image on slide 3 with something related to winter sports. It'll update the deck live. Once you're happy with it, look for the Export to Slides button. It's somewhere in the upper area of the presentation preview. Exact placement can vary a bit depending on your interface version. Click it. That sends the presentation straight to Google Slides. You'll see a notification in the bottom left corner that says Open Slides. Click that, or just go to your Google Drive where the presentation is now saved. The file opens in Google Slides, and everything's fully editable: text, images, layout, colors, all of it. If you need it as an actual PowerPoint file, here's what to do. In Google Slides, click File at the top, hover over Download, and select Microsoft PowerPoint .pptx. Google Slides will convert the presentation and your browser will download it. The conversion from slides to PowerPoint usually keeps formatting intact, but you might need to tweak icon positioning or fonts slightly after the download. Also, always give the content a quick read-through before you use it. AI-generated material can have inaccuracies, so a final check is good practice. Using Gemini's draft as your starting point, then making it your own with your examples and images is where this workflow really shines. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.